In today's video, we are exploring the list of financial regulatory authorities in some of the world's major financial centers, including the US, United Kingdom, Europe, South Africa, Singapore, China, Australia, and more. Understanding the role of these regulators is crucial for anyone working in financial crime compliance and anti-money laundering. So let's jump right into today's video. Let's start with the United States. The US has multiple financial regulators, but the key players include the Federal Reserve, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, the OCC, the Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and the Financial Crime Enforcement Network, which is known as FinCEN. These agencies work together to ensure the safety and stability of the United States financial systems. Moving on to the United Kingdom, the main regulatory authority is the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, which oversees the conduct of financial institutions and markets. Another important regulator is the Prudential Regulatory Authority, the PRA, which focuses on the prudential regulations and supervision of banks, insurers, and large investment firms. In the European Union, the European Central Bank, the ECB, plays a significant role in banking supervision through the Single Supervisory Mechanism, the SSM, while the European Banking Authority, the EBA, contributes to the harmonization of regulations across all the EU member states. Within Europe, some other national regulators that plays an important role within their respective jurisdictions are the German, the BaFin, and the French one, the France Autorité de Contrôle Prudentiel et de Résolution. Apologies for the terrible pronunciation there. Before we move on to other regions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to FinCrime Agent to stay updated on the latest insight in financial crime compliance and anti-money laundering. Your engagement helps this channel to grow and allows me to continue providing more valuable content for professionals and students. So, a massive thanks for doing that. Now let's explore the list of financial regulatory authorities in South Africa. The South Africa Reserve Bank, SARB, oversees the stability of the financial system, while the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, is responsible for regulating the conduct of financial institutions. In Singapore, the primary financial regulator is the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the MAS, which supervises and regulates banks, insurers, capital market intermediaries, and other financial institutions. Turning to China, the main regulatory authorities include the People's Bank of China, the PBOC, the China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission, the CBIRC, and the China Security Regulatory Commission, CSRC. These regulators work together to maintain financial stability and enforce compliance with the relevant rules and regulations. In Japan, the Financial Services Agency, FSA, is the primary financial regulator responsible for overseeing banking securities and insurance sector. The Bank of Japan also plays a crucial role in maintaining financial stability in that country. In Australia, the Australian Prudential Regulatory Authority, APRA, is responsible for prudential supervision of banks, insurers, and superannuation funds, while the Australian Security and Investment Commission, ASIC, regulates market conduct, financial services, and consumer protection. Moving on to Canada, the main financial regulators here include the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, the OSFI, which is responsible for prudential regulations and supervision. And then we have the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre of Canada, which is known as the FinTrack, which focuses on the anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing effort. Additionally, provincial regulators such as the Ontario Security Commission, the OSC, and the Autorité des Marchés Financiers, AMF, in Quebec oversees securities regulations at the regional level. In Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the HKMA, acts as the primary regulators for banks, while the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, is responsible for regulating the securities and futures market. These regulators work together to maintain the stability and integrity of Hong Kong financial system. Next, let's look at the United Arab Emirates. The Central Bank of the UAE serves as the primary financial regulators overseeing banks and financial institutions within the country. In the Dubai International Financial Center, the DIFC, the Dubai Financial Service Authority (DFSA) is responsible for regulating financial services conducted within the DIFC. Finally, in Switzerland, the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority (FINMA) is the main regulatory body for financial institutions, including banks, insurers, and security dealers. FINMA ensures that the Swiss financial markets operates in a transparent and stable manner, protecting the interests of market participants and investors. So that's my comprehensive overview about the list of financial regulatory authorities in some of the world's major financial centers. I hope this video will help professionals working in financial crime, compliance, and anti-money laundering to understand the roles and responsibilities of these regulators, as they play a significant part in shaping the industry's rules and standards. If you wish to support my FinCrime Agent project, my Patreon link is in the video description right below of this video, or you can now even send a super thanks directly from this YouTube video. Your support helps me create more valuable content for professionals and students interested in financial crime compliance and anti-money laundering. So thanks for your contribution, and with that I'm at the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and until next time, see you soon.